Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you how to create two types of cute ghost t-shirts that you can make cheaply. For the first DIY ghost t-shirt, you'll need a plain white shirt, a chalk, and a pair of scissors. This is very simple to do. Simply straighten out the front of the t-shirt. With your chalk, make two big eyes and an open mouth like so. Then carefully cut along the chalk lines. Try to cut the pieces out as smooth as possible. Here I'm making the same ghost t-shirt for my son. To make the ghost t-shirt pop, you'll need a darker long t-shirt underneath. Since the shirt underneath is not completely plain, I strategically drew the eyes and mouth under the logo. Voila, here is your cute ghost t-shirt. How neat and beautiful is this? For the second DIY ghost t-shirt, you'll need a white t-shirt and a black fabric paint. This was a free range activity. My son drew and designed his own ghost t-shirt. This DIY ghost t-shirt turned out to be creative, bold, and cool. Let me tell you, he wore this shirt many times after with a great sense of pride. Voila, here is your second cute DIY ghost t-shirt. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch my other quick and easy DIY Halloween decorations tutorials. You will be glad that you did. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.